All right, Graavys garage. It's a disaster around here, but we gotta weld this up for the neighbor Brian. He broke it or something happened. The customer broke it. Try and get it straight, but we gotta grind some shit first. So we want to get penetration there.
You laugh and love.
Well, right now he needs changing. I think it's Mommy's turn.
Dad, I'm sorry if I made you feel bit.
No apology necessary. Hey, Jack Dalton, the Mad Rover, remember? I can't handle the thing water.
I don't know if this is gonna work at all.
I want this place sealed. Do something about that door down there.
Yes, sir. I'll get right on it.
So what have we got? Nothing. We've turned this place inside out. No sign of the counterfeiters or any printing apparatus. We're regrouping to move in on their apartments. Well, keep us posted, will you?
Regrouping.
Wow. This is quite a place, isn't it? Can't sure about a
Need something to grind on it real quick.
Listen, not much more to do here. Let's get going.
Yeah, let me give Jack a call and know he's
I think I need to clean this place up a little.
What's the matter, is it?
Something's weird here.
What?
I'm not sure. You notice anything funny about that mirrored wall?
Looks like an ordinary mirrored wall to me. What are you thinking about? The way the ground floor is laid out, this room is about half the size it should be.
I don't want to have to. Nice. Way to go, MacGyver.
Next on H&I, Nash Bridges. Then, all Star Trek begins with Star Trek the Original Series, right here on H&I.
Attention Zantac users. If you or a loved one was diagnosed with cancer after regular use of Zantac, you might be entitled to financial compensation.
Nuh-uh.
75498. The FDA has warned that drugs like Zantac, which contain ranitidine, may be a cancer-causing agent.
Sounds like a Ford that don't start.
If the cancer is listed, call us for a free consultation. If you don't win, you pay nothing. 800-887-5498.
We're gonna dial her up a little bit today. Just a little bit. This thing's so friggin' strong.
Was in the beginning with God. All things were made by him. Nothing was not anything made that was made. In him was life, and life.
Well, we're gonna just tack this at first. Oh, I hate it when that happens. You motherfucker.
You know, Max, I miss my co-pilot. Yes, very. Not altogether unpleasant, I might add.
No, I don't know what I would have done. Especially you, Jack.
So where to for you and little Jack?
I don't know. The jobs, the towns.
Clean air? Botanical gardens? Museums?
Not too bad.
Dentist? Jack, this little boy's gonna need a family. Some family. Yeah, like uncles. Lots of them. Somebody to take him fishing?
Oh, it's bent a little bit. It's not that flat. It's a little bit
I think you're on tour of Dalton Air.
unflat.
Away. Hey, maybe I'll just tell like that. Just don't get started on the mosquito. Max.
That's why I only tacked it on one side,
Keys are on the wall.
in case we need a little adjustment. Yeah, works for me.
Just the guys, huh, Gigi? You know, I never thought of you as the paternal type. Indeed, this has nothing to do with fatherhood. I happen to know talent when I see it. It's a rookie, open it up.